Well guys, it's a beautiful day today. And you said it was gonna rain.
Maybe.
We're gonna keep working on our house. Last time we got all of our sheathing up. Well, today is house wrap and window day. Right now I'm prepping the window openings. They have a little bit of work to do. Right now I'm gonna be cutting out the excess plywood around the opening. I hope I do this right. So we've done all we can do for now to get the house ready for house wrap. So far, so good. Getting it done, but I have to stop to show you guys the window openings because I just wanted to point out how we're doing this. We're doing a flush cut method of the house wrap around the windows. We don't like to wrap in our windows, and I know a lot of people still like to do that. They'll do an eye cut and they'll fold in the house wrap.
Or an X cut.
Which is even worse.
You're not supposed to do that.
Personally, I don't want anything inside my window openings except for the window, and that way it can be properly set into place, properly sealed. I think the water barrier needs to stay on the outside of the house. So we're doing a flush cut method. We have another row to do where it's going to be flush cut. So we'll get this up and then I'll show you guys the top detail. So unfortunately, we just ran out of house wrap. Now, I was gonna pick some up, but I knew I had a nice fat roll of it at home, and I can't believe how quick it went. It was just, it looked like there was more on the roll than there was. That's as far as we can make it. For now, I'm gonna tape up my joints, my seams, and do what I can so that we can, I guess, run to the store.
I think we'll run out of that too.
Yeah. Okay. Look at guys. We went out, we got a new roll. We're gonna finish this job up so we can get our windows installed. We're gonna try to wrap this up. You gotta say it. Finish up the top there. We just finished up. The house is properly wrapped. And for some reason, this always happens where you think it's going to be like an hour and it takes all day.
Yeah.
It seems so easy in your mind, and for some reason, but we're here. So I'm going to prep the window opening. And we're hoping we can have the windows installed. And then I'm just going to cut my diagonals up here. Flaps are cut. Now I'm just going to tape my sill. Get this waterproofed. You can't see what I'm doing. I feel like I'm going to mess this up.
Secret.
Yep, definitely messing it up. Well, I put it on a little lopsided. I got a lot over here and a little over here, but we're getting there.
You must have cut it too short.
No, I just put too much on this end. I was all messed up. But it's okay.
Can't win them all.
It won't hurt anything. It's just ugly. It's ugly, but it's sealed, okay? That's what matters. I just did this one. It went a little smoother. Look at it. It looks more even. Sill is taped. I guess we can get our windows in, right? I just cut some shims. Guys, a lot of people I see, they forget to shim the bottom of their windows, and that's important. So let's get these shimmed out.
Oh, good, it went in.
Yeah.
Just center it and do it.
Probably fine right there.
Yeah. Not much you can move it,
Yeah.
so.
I think I'm gonna make sure this flap is out. I'm gonna just do the top first, I think.
Yep.
Well, we're gonna keep screwing this one in. It went smoothly.
Yeah.
It went much better than the first time we installed it with the old siding. I remember it being a real hassle. Mm-hmm. So now we're going to switch over to the other window. We're going to get this one in, and then we'll flash them all together. So we will be going back to that, getting the flashing tape done.
Cool. Perfect.
back to the boring part again. We got the window in. It looks good. We're gonna screw it up.
Literally or figuratively?
You gotta say it. Can you hold that for me?
Like to it, a little past it, like here.
Just past it.
Can we keep doing this?
Sure.
Careful for the tape. It's on the next step.
Yeah, you have to have it sealed up. Okay.
Tyvek.
Mm-hmm. Whew. Well, guys, we can sleep easy tonight knowing it's done. Evie was just telling me that she really wanted the house to get done this year, like this part
side.
this side of the house. And so
We're getting it done.
I'm getting it done. It's awesome. You're happy.
Yeah.
It's been long days of work,
Full days.
but overall, I'll tell you what, it's going quick.
Every day we've been doing this. It's getting done.
Just pumping it out. We really worked hard over the weekend, took advantage of the weekend and just pushed to get it done. Windows are back in, fully flashed, so now they are watertight. They're actually more watertight than they were before because we didn't have any flashing tape or anything on them.
Yeah.
They were just literally screwed to the house and that's it. And believe it or not, they never leaked because we just don't get a lot of water on this side of the house. Like it
It
just
doesn't come in at this angle,
right.
so
So I am not worried at all. Right now, these are going to be super solid.
yeah.
The way we layer the house wrap, I hope you guys can see it. That's the perfect way to do windows. The perfect way. Notice we didn't flash the bottoms. We flashed the sill, put the window in, but we don't flash it again. The whole idea is that if water was in your window, under your window, it needs to be able to get out.
Yeah.
So we don't screw the bottom, we don't flash the bottom, don't caulk the bottom. I see people sealing the bottom of their windows.
Just
Don't
leave
do
it all out.
The next step is soffits, believe it or not, because soffits have to come before eaves. What am I saying?
I don't know what you're saying.
Soffits have to come before siding. So the next time we do a material haul, it's going to be soffit material, and hopefully there's a lot to do. I guess that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.